like to highlight how the supply chain has become increasingly unstable and more complex. We've seen over the last couple of years our margin getting constantly squeezed. And if we don't do anything and we just stand still, we realize that we're going to be out of business as the margins get squeezed, as costs are increasing as per the South African inflation, and the margins that we earn are not increasing at the same pace. If we look at the importance of being able to survive and grow, we've realized a couple of things. If we do nothing, market forces will drive that down, and without innovation, we will go backwards. So we've understood the importance of defending and optimizing the current business model, but at the same time, we've realized to really outperform, we've got to look at new capabilities, new business models that will enable us to move the business forward. Fortunately, we've got a great strategy.